All right, it's Take Back Friday. It's time for another end of day post wave report with yours truly, the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com, home of the world famous PulseWave Price Trigger Report. All right, so this is going to be really quick because tomorrow's Take Back Friday. As you know, I normally do not initiate new positions on Take Back Friday. And we have the weekend coming up on Monday, so markets will be closed on Monday. So here we go. This here is the gold futures. Remember last night I showed you the crash alert sell signal? Well, look, we got that initial downside production today. I expect this will continue down to the trend line support. All right, so that's that one. Next up is your XRP Ripple. We have a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading on this one. I think this one will continue to fall over the weekend, even though you're in the neutral zone. I do believe that the sellers are going to come in and drive the price lower. Next up is your NASDAQ 100. All right. The tech sector has a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading as well. Trend line support down here will be the initial target, and we'll in the bullish configuration, but because of the holiday and stuff, I don't know if we're getting any follow through just yet. And you do have the top of the Kumo cloud acting as also a support. So you have this layered support. You have this this zone, if you will, starting from the top of the Kumo cloud down to the trend line support. That is going to be your zone. And what happens after that is up to the market. But we do have the alert here that is being recognized. As far as crude oil futures go, here's your rally alert buy signal. Here's this upside production. Markets moving higher. I did hear that the petroleum, the unleaded gas reserves are like at some type of all-time low, something like that. That report came out this morning, and they're expecting gas shortages, just like we had a couple weeks ago, and they think that's going to affect gas stations across the country now, not just the East Coast. So that's why the oil is positioning itself to make that run toward the $70 handle. So this is just FYI. Got to watch it. Markets move for a reason. And right now, this one is in a bullish configuration, and it could go. It could really start running here. All right. You could view this as a long-term base starting from here, going to here. You could view this as a base, and the market's about to rock and roll. Next up is silver futures. All right, so silver futures. All right, they're still in control of this market, keeping it at bay, ladies and gentlemen. Even though it's in a bullish configuration, the massive amount of shorts are just holding it at bay. It won't. Market can't get up and go. What about the Dow? Well, the Dow is looking a little bit different than that Nasdaq. Here you go. The bulls are still in control, and the market's wide open to make that run toward 35,000. This is starting to look reminiscent of 2000, the early 2008, 2007, where the Nasdaq was going the opposite direction of the Dow, the S&P. All right, here is the Bitcoin. We got a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. Looks like the market has decided it wants to come down here and possibly take out the bearish pointer after all. We're in a bearish configuration, so be on alert status on the Bitcoin. What about Doji? Well, here's your Doji. All right, we had this crash alert, but we got 2 days so far of sideways trading. No downside production yet. And we're right here at the trend line support and top of Kumo Cloud, not too far to go. But we can't ignore the fact that the market may want to come down and take out the bullish pointer. Be on alert this weekend. Next up, we got Ethereum. Have a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. You're right here at the trend line support, so that means we should go down to the top of the Kumo cloud. Maybe if it gets too much selling pressure in it, it will cut right through this Kumo cloud and take out the bearish pointer. Looks like the cryptos are setting up for a massive downward move. Next up, and last but not least, is Theta. All right, Theta is going the opposite direction right now. The bulls are still in control. Overhead trend line resistance is still initial target, but you just got to watch it to see what happens. Are we going to break out top side, or are the bears going to come in and beat this down the same time they start beating down Bitcoin and the rest of the altcoins. So just something for you guys to take a look at and be mindful of going into the weekend. The crash alerts are everywhere. And remember to smash that like button. I hope everyone has a wonderful holiday weekend. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I'm out. Peace.